Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to Ojas International School online learning material. How are you all? I am sure you are seeing videos, reading books and doing your work we give. Today we will learn lesson number 2, Munish at school at page number 12. I am sure you have read the lesson, so you know that lesson is about activities which Munish does from morning till night. Children, you also have to make a list of activities which you do from morning till night. Here we also find some doing words, action words that you have already studied in first standard. First of all, we will clear starter kit. In this starter kit, you have to write some of the activities you do at the school. So, you have to write down here some of the activities whichever you are doing in the school. Reading, writing, learning, playing, shouting, laughing, running, eating, singing, dancing. Is that clear, children, now? Now, we will enjoy our story line to line, but you are requested to put your finger on your line. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now let's enjoy story line to line. This is Munish. His mom wakes him up at 6 o'clock. He gets washed and dressed. Then he has his breakfast. Here, children, first of all we will see this. This is Munish. His mama wakes him up at 6 o'clock. Then he gets washed and dressed. Then he eats his breakfast. Now children, come on page number 13. At 7 o'clock, the school bus comes. Munish leaves for school. Now, at 7 o'clock, his school bus comes and he leaves for the school. He is never late. He is never late. He reaches the school in time. So, he reaches the school in time. The peon rings the bell. Children go to their classes. The children calls the roll. Now when they enter in the school, the peon rings the bell. At that time children go to their classes and the teacher calls the roll. Now teacher call up the roll. After roll call, after speak out the roll number, children line up in the school compound. Means children line up in the school compound as you are making lines in the assembly area. Same manner children here line up in the school compound. They say their morning prayers. You also pray to God in the morning, na? Same manner they also pray. After prayers, children go back to their classes. After completed prayer, children go back to their classes. Munish goes to his class. Munish also goes to his class. The teacher comes in. Afterwards, teacher comes in. Children stand up and say, "Good morning, teacher." As you also speak whenever teacher comes in your class, you are speaking good morning, children. Same manner here also they are speaking good morning, teacher. The teacher says, "Good morning, children, sit down." As we also speak na, "Good morning, children, sit down." Same manner here also in the school of Munish, teacher says, "Good morning, children, sit down." Now children, come on page number 14. Now the teaching begins. Now the teacher starts teaching. Children do reading and writing for 2 hours. Children are reading and writing for 2 hours. Then it is playtime. Then they have playtime. Children go out to play. They are going out for playing. Munish likes to play chasing games. Chasing games means, you know that in Gujarati we are calling pakadam patti. That is called chasing games. After playtime, children do maths and science. After playtime, children are doing maths and science. Munish is good at maths. He is also good at science. Munish is good at maths and science both. Then it is lunch time. Now it is lunch time. Children go to the lunch room. Children are going to the lunch room. They open their lunch boxes and eat together. They are opening their lunch box and they are eating together. After lunch break, children go to the art room. After lunch break, children are going to the art room. There they sit on a carpet. There they have to sit on a carpet. They learn singing and dancing. They also learn painting. They are learning singing, dancing, painting, etc. Munish likes painting best. Munish likes painting best. He likes painting very much. Come on children, page number 15. Then it is story time. Children come back to their classroom. Now it's story time. Children come back to their classes. The teacher tells them a new story every time. Teacher is saying them a new story every time. Children love to hear stories. As you also like stories, same manner here also children like stories. Sometimes children also tell stories. Sometimes children also tell stories. The last bell goes at 3 p.m. Now it is time for leaving. Munish comes back home. He has some rest and then finishes his homework. Afterwards he finishes homework. His mom helps him with his homework. His mama is helping to do his homework. Then it is evening. Munish goes out to play with his friends. He feels very happy all day. In the evening, Munish goes out to play with his friends and he feels very happy all day. Now children, our story is here completed. Now the exercise of this lesson we will solve in our next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.